Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction. The live price change occurs, the live currently at this time price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin. What's the currently status of XRP Ripple coin and the cryptocurrencies markets? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Remember to subscribe. And now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. After that we look the last 1 hour, last 2 hour, and after that we decided it's the best time to buy, sell or hold XRP Ripple coin. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of the XRP Ripple coin of the last 1 day friends. If we look the price change occur in a XRP Ripple coin and the 1 day, the average change as about positive 4.48% change, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is $1.07 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin and the previous last 1 day friends. If we look the chart analysis of the XRP, so the chart analysis tells us that after a previous 1 day, in the previous days they take a jump, but unfortunately as the start of last day they falling down. As you can see here, falls down, and in the fallings period they again take a jump, small, and after a small jump they again fall down, and now currently they again take a jump, and now at this time if we look the currently situation of the XRP Ripple coins, currently they are again now at this time are also in the falls down. Now let's see the what's price change occur in the last 2 hour, what's gone and the previous last 2 hour. As I told you friends in the start of this video that now currently at this time XRP Ripple coin all falls down in friends. What's gone at this time negative 0.62% change occur in the previous last 2 hour friends, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is about $1.03. That's the high price of XRP Ripple coin, and that is the last 2 hour price prediction. Live price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin friends. So as you can see here friends, continues the falling down period occur in this time in XRP Ripple coin. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. I know the last 1 hour price prediction is also in the falls, but here is surprise for all XRP Ripple holders. You can see here at this time, if we look at this time they again take a jump and they are ready for explosion. Maybe they goes upward very high. This explosion is very high of XRP Ripple, say we can't say about this explosion, but now currently at this time now it's a live price prediction of last 1 hour, so now at this time they start explosion. So friends, the average change occur in the last 1 hour is about negative 0.6%, and the high price of XRP as about $1.02 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin at this time friends. That's the last 1 hour. That's the currently price of XRP Ripple coin in the cryptocurrency markets friends. So according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hour, and last 1 day, as you know, the last 1 day, last 2 hour, last 1 hour, the changes are in negative. But as you can see here, as you know already, that now currently at this time the last 1 hour they take a jump, they start the explosion. So hope this explosion are may live long. So this, after this kind of explosion are continuous, so soon the changes occur in XRP Ripple coin are positive, and the uh, price is also very high soon if this kind of explosion occur in XRP Ripple coin. So friends, my suggestion for all of XRP Ripple coin holder that as you know at this time they start explosion, so we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrency. So my suggestion for all of you that please hold your XRP Ripple coin with the last of this month, but because now currently also they start explosion. What's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? My plan is that to hold it, and if you want to buy, so not it's not best time when they become, when the changes become a positive and they start explosion, it's the best time for you to buy XRP Ripple coin. Please share your opinion in a comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.